Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you or I'm going to provide you the meaning of package available for clearance in your FedEx tracking. So here, this particular status means that your package has reached the destination country and is now waiting for customs clearance. So available for clearance does not mean that there is a problem. It simply means that the package is ready to be reviewed by the customs authorities before delivery. Now this usually happens with the international shipments. Customs may need to verify the contents of the package, check the declared value, calculate the import duties or taxes. So sometimes packages move quickly through this stage, but in other cases they may stay here for some time. So in this particular situation, you just have to basically don't need to do anything. Your package will clear automatically and continue to delivery. However, if additional information is required, FedEx is going to contact you via your email address or phone. They may ask for invoice, they may ask for proof of value, any ID or tax details, or payment of custom duties. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.